In this video, I'll show you how to register your business and publish your products on HyLocal. After logging in successfully, you'll see the large plus button at the bottom of the screen. Tap the plus button and you'll see several posting options. Select Add Business. Now choose your business category. For this demonstration, I'm creating a ladies' clothing and apparel business. After selecting the category, you'll be taken to step 2 of 3. First, you can upload your business logo. This is completely optional. Next, upload your business photos. You need to add at least 1 photo, and you can upload up to 3 photos. Now enter your business name. Below that, add your title and description. If you don't want to type everything manually, simply tap Generate Details, and AI will automatically create the title and description for you. Your business location will already be selected based on your current location. If you'd like to use a different location, simply tap Change. Next, you can enter your email address and website. Both of these fields are optional. Now let's configure the business hours. Turn on the toggle for the days your business is open. Then set your opening and closing times. If your timings are the same for every day, simply tap Apply Monday's timings to all days, and the remaining days will be filled automatically. Once everything is complete, tap Preview Business. On the preview screen, you'll see the question, will you accept customer orders? If you select Yes, customers can browse your catalog and place orders directly through HyLocal. If you select No, customers can still view your business and contact you, but they won't be able to place orders. For this tutorial, I'll select Yes because I'll show you the complete ordering process. Next, choose your preferred contact methods. Chat is enabled by default, allowing customers to contact you directly through the in-app chat. You can also enable or disable WhatsApp and phone call, depending on how you'd like customers to reach you. Now tap Publish Business. Your business has now been published successfully. Tap My Listings, and you'll see your newly created business. Open your business listing. Scroll down to the What They Have to Offer section and tap Add Catalog. Now let's add a product. Choose the product category. Since this is a clothing store, I'll select clothing. In step 2 of 3, you'll notice that Catalog product is already selected and your business is automatically linked. Upload your product photos. You can add at least 1 photo and up to 3 photos. Enter the product details. You can either type the information yourself or tap Generate Details, and AI will automatically create the product information for you. The business location will already be selected. If required, you can change it. Next, add your product variants. For clothing, variants can represent different sizes. For example, I'll create variants for size 42, size 40, and size 38. Select the unit as set. Now enter the selling price, offer price, and available stock quantity. If you have more sizes, simply tap Add Another Variant. You can add up to 10 variants for the same product. Once everything is complete, tap Preview Post. Since this is the first catalog product for this business, you'll need to configure your storefront settings. First, choose your delivery method. You have 3 options: local delivery, store pickup, ship across India. If you choose local delivery, you'll also need to set your delivery radius, such as 3 kilometers, 5 kilometers, or any custom distance. Next, choose whether you're accepting orders. This option is enabled by default, but you can turn it off anytime. Then set the minimum order value, delivery charges, and free delivery amount if applicable. Finally, choose the order acceptance timeout. By default, it's set to 1 hour, but you can change it to any available option. If an order isn't accepted within the selected time, it will automatically expire. After configuring everything, tap Save Settings. You'll now return to the preview screen. Next, choose your post duration. You can select Always Available, 3 hours, 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days. For this tutorial, I'll select Always Available. Now tap Publish Post. Congratulations! Your catalog product has now been published successfully. Customers can discover your product directly in their feed, from your business page, or through search. Now let's see how customers place an order. On the customer feed, both your business listing and catalog product are visible. I'll open the business first. Scroll down and you'll see the catalog you've added. Open the catalog product. Tap Add to Cart. If multiple variants are available, choose your preferred size. For example, I'll select size 42. Now tap Go to Cart. Proceed to checkout. Finally, tap Place Order. That's it. The order has been placed successfully. Customers can track all their orders anytime by opening Profile. Now let's see what happens on the seller's side. As soon as a customer places an order, you'll receive a notification. You can either open the notification or go to My Orders. Open the received order. You'll see two options, accept or reject. If you accept the order, its status changes to accepted. Once the customer receives or picks up the order, simply tap Fulfilled. The order is now completed and your product stock is automatically updated in HyLocal. That's it. Your business is now live, your products are published, and you're ready to receive customer orders through HyLocal.